E.V. Williams is best known as one of the Twitter co-founders alongside Biz Stone, but he is also the person behind the popular online publishing platform Medium.com. Founded in 2012, Williams announced that Medium was a new place on the internet where people share ideas and stories that are longer than 140 characters, and not just for friends, and was designed for little stories that make your day better and manifest those that change the world. Whilst it helps you find the right audience for whatever you have to say, the platform, though its partner program, enable its writers or content creators to be paid depending on how deeply the readers read their posts. If readers spend more time on your articles, you are paid more, thanks to the subscription fee of $5 a month. But the question is often asked, what is Medium? And everyone seems to have a slightly different answer. We use the term online publishing platform, which is what Wikipedia settled on. Medium is a blogging platform which combines articles from well-respected editors and paid writers, and people just wanting to put their thoughts into writing. There is no specific focus with articles about anything and everything, and with very few adverts, it creates a clean and unobstructed view of written media, something which is hard to come by today. They also have the luxury of diverting negative article feedback onto the writer, as the platform doesn't take accountability for what's being written, but taking praise when articles are lauded. On 14th August 2012, when E.V. Williams launched Medium, he wrote, "On Medium you can contribute often or just once in a blue moon, and without the commitment of a blog. And either way, you are publishing into a thriving, pulsing network, not a standalone website which you alone." On August 14, 2012, when E.V. Williams launched Medium, he wrote, "On Medium, you can contribute often or just once in a blue moon and without the commitment of a blog. And either way, you are publishing into a thriving, pulsing network, not a standalone website which you are alone responsible for keeping alive. As far as other people are concerned, Medium is just a place where well-written articles are sometimes available. But what is their mission, or why has it thought up in the first place? The goal of the platform is to optimize the time spent reading articles on the site. It is almost seen as the YouTube for blogging, where people can write about anything and grow a following. Use a well-built platform that pushes your post out to wider audience without needing SEO knowledge like other well-known publications. Whilst this work for the reader, it shows why only a few people are paid. But the website is popular, with even Jeff Bezos using the platform to reveal the National Enquirer effort to blackmail him in one of posts, which still enabled him to write his own version of the story. However, as the years have gone by, what was once considered to be a game-changing in the blogging world, there's been significant decline with the platform, seeing popular publications such as Bill Simmons, the Ringer and Backchannel come and go. The Ringer moving to Vox Media before being bought by Spotify, and Backchannel, which left for Wired, has since been purchased by Cond. The reason stemmed from the fact that they felt Medium was no longer as focused on helping publications like ours profit, which was cemented when E.V. Williams confirmed in 2017 that Medium did not plan to use banner ads as part of their revenue model. Imagine YouTube blocking off anyone with over 100,000 subscribers. You'd have very little left to watch. Despite the negatives, the user base has grown from 60 million readers in 2016 to 120 million today. And there is no doubt that people enjoy what Medium has to offer. Some even suggest that their audio articles could enable everyday bloggers to launch their own podcasts without the need for an expensive studio, which would open the door to many amateur creators. The issue, however, is that people who understand SEO are now just using Medium to redistribute their work to a larger audience, gaining more exposure, which cheapens the Medium brand. Medium is now 8 years old and has raised $132 million in venture funding and is still not profitable. But in an era where all the biggest companies seems to be making losses year over year, perhaps Medium stands a chance of succeeding in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you're new, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.